So it's windy, so don't mind the wind noise. I apologize. I'm gonna try and look into a better microphone setup for you guys. But anyways, this is gonna be the first wash with my truck, with the new products that I got. It is extremely dirty, you guys, because this truck has been sitting a long time. So thank you for stopping by. Welcome back to the channel. Please go ahead and hit that like button and the subscribe button. If you're already subscribed, please hit that bell button. It helps out the channel a lot. All right, so what did I order? I ordered a lot of stuff, and I'll show you guys here in a little bit when I take it all out. I got this all for like $220, and I don't know what happened. I don't know what was going on their website, but it was all like 50 to 60% off. So I got a crazy good deal. I don't know if I got this because of a Father's Day weekend thing or what was going on, but I was excited for the price because their stuff is expensive. Hopefully it is tried and true to what they say. That way I don't have to worry about paying the price, but let me go ahead and show you exactly what we all got. First off and foremost, big shout out to Chemical Guys for hooking us up. We've got a lot of stuff here and it turned out great. I'm excited to use these products, and boy do we have a lot of stuff. But first and foremost, what I went with the black vehicle detailing kit. It came with these pads right here. Came with some microfiber towels. It came with the black light soap, 2 bottles of it, and the black light finish, and then the butter wax as well, and also the smoked bucket with dirt trap. I also ordered a wash mitt, microfiber towels, of course, microfiber drying towels, premium microfiber applicator. And then this is a lot of where you guys came into play as well, because I did not know exactly what to order. I was suggested to this kit for my truck because it is black. Hopefully this is going to turn out good. I then got the VRP vinyl rubber plastic. We'll see how this actually works. Again, I'm going to have to read the instructions on all this stuff, you guys. Hydro View, Hydro Speed. This came with a kit. And total interior. We had like some kind of interior package as well. So we have this, and all these goodies. So hopefully I can figure out how the heck to wash it. I know I got to fill up this bucket first, and then we're going to go ahead and start soaping things up. I'm going to go ahead. I think I have an Adams polished foam cannon. I don't know if I use this stuff with a foam cannon or not. I'm going to have to look it up, see what we can do, see how we can get this going. It's very hot out. Stay with me, you guys. Let's see if we can get a before and after of this thing. But it's very hot out, so hopefully I can get this done good. I'm probably not going to do a crazy good job on it, take a lot of time on it because I'm going to sweat. I'm hungry. It's been a long work day, and I want to eat. So we're going to go ahead, take care of this video, and just really get started on it. All right, so we're going to start with the black light soap. It says here to add 1 to 2 ounces of black light car wash soap to 5 gallons of water per surface. Rinse using clean water for perfect shine. For best results, add 1 to 2 ounces of black light clear soap to Chemical Guys foam cannon. Okay, all right, here we go. Now looks like I'm gonna add this to a bucket. I kind of just pre-soaked it. I'm gonna add it to that bucket now with water and do it by hand. And then I can also add this to a foam cannon. So I'm gonna do it by hand, and then I'm also gonna add it to my foam cannon that I got because I wanna try a foam cannon. And then I've never done it before, so wish me luck. I'm thinking I'm supposed to use it with this mitt. That's what I'm gonna use it with. We'll try this one out. No clue if I'm doing this right.
Daddy, boo boo, Dad. Bubble, bubble.
Bubbles?
Yes.
You like bubbles?
Mommy, bubble.
Let's do the... So I pre-rinsed it, I sudsed it by hand. Now we're gonna go ahead and try that foam cannon thing. I don't know, let's see. Yeah, now we're gonna go ahead, I guess, put this on the end of the wand. Okay, wow, that is heavy. Holy crap. That is heavy. Okay, so it's preset, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how this goes. All right, so that's as sudsy as the foam can will let it go. I am now supposed to rinse this off and then apply the black light hybrid radiant finish. If you could, guys, in the comments for me, let me know what's the difference between the butter wet wax and the hybrid radiant finish and which one I'm supposed to use first. I'm not going to use this today because I don't know what I'm doing. So if you could let me know which one I'm supposed to use first, that would be great. But we're going to go ahead, we're going to skip the butter wax and we're going to go ahead and add this. Now the reason why I asked that is because both of them require buffing and both of them say pretty much the exact same instructions for how to use them. And so that's why I'm quite confused exactly which one of the two I'm supposed to use. So like I said, again, in the comments below, if you really could, let me know exactly what I'm supposed to use. I would be greatly appreciated. All right, so I'm opting to use this little microfiber applicator pad thing. It's just to squirt a small amount and I need to add it to the truck even. All right, so that's exhausting. Holy shit. Now I'm supposed to wait 15 minutes and let all this sit for 15 minutes and then I have to buff it out, which I'm not gonna lie, whew, I'm tired, exhausted. That was a workout. I'm not gonna lie, I thought this was the buffing process. This was just applicating. Now I gotta buff it. So I'm gonna buff it and then I'll get back to you guys when it's finished because it's gonna be a long process. First off, I don't know what to buff it with. Do I use one of these microfiber towels or do I use these I don't know if this is an applicator or what this funky looking pad thing is. Again, please let me know in the comments. I'm really struggling right now. This is definitely not my wheelhouse. I am no detailer. All right, so update. Here's a towel. This is the towel I went with. And it's actually a lot easier than I anticipated. It's kind of just wiping it off basically. There's some spots I have to scrub really good, but man, I'm a little impressed with myself right now because that looks good. All right, so this is what we got, the finished product. I'm actually pretty impressed. The sun's down a little bit more because I went inside, ate dinner, some delicious nachos my wife made me. This is what we got, finished product, and it looks great, you guys. I'm very impressed. I'd say it's about an hour and a half, 2 hours, simply. The buffing part was way easier than I anticipated. It was more just kind of like a wiping off type of thing, which I'm very happy that's all it turned out to be. Again, I apologize for the wind noise if you guys are hearing that loud wind. Again, I will link all this stuff below for you guys. I will do my best to get those links in there for you. Again, any help in the comments would be much appreciated as to what I'm supposed to do. If there are things that are making this easier, props to you guys that detail vehicles for a living, because there's no way I could do this on a regular basis. I think I'd have the biggest freaking arms ever. But I am just really happy with it. For what I paid for the products and what it costs to pay somebody to detail a vehicle, man, this is just such a good difference and change. Like, it is crazy. I'll throw a few pictures up here probably too if I can. Maybe not, maybe, I don't know. The tail lights, I buffed these tail lights. These came out absolutely great. I mean, they look so much better, especially for how dirty this truck was before. Now I got that mirror finish once again. The Harbor Freight pressure washer did great. Holy sun, did absolutely great. The products here from Chemical Guys did absolutely outstanding. Again, like I said, let me know the difference between this black light and that butter wax over there. Also, what the heck this Hydro Speed and Hydro View is, that I don't know. It says you're not supposed to do it on a sunny day. So, yeah, not a good day to do it. Interior detailer, I know what that does, and I also know what this is. This is just kind of like a plastics enhancer, I do believe. So, that being said, make sure you guys please hit that like button and that subscribe button if you already subscribed. Please hit that bell button so you get those notifications. I'm pretty happy. I'm pretty satisfied with myself. This is my first time really actually waxing and buffing, whatever you call it, a vehicle. I know you're not supposed to rinse it, I believe, after you wax it, just leave it. So we're just gonna leave it for right now. There's a few spots I gotta touch up, but you know what? I think I did a pretty good job. So we'll go ahead, see you guys next week, and have yourselves a great night.